So previous all classes we completed axis inclined to both the planes, right? Now we are going to see axis inclined to one plane and parallel to other. We discussed this topic in prisms. So same process, same method, everything was same, but this was pyramids here, right? In prisms, in front view we have constructed rectangular shape. In pyramids, in front view you have to construct triangular face, because prisms are bounded by rectangular faces and pyramids are bounded by triangular faces. Right, now we will see first question. What is the question here? A hexagonal pyramid of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm has an edge of its base on the ground. Its axis is inclined at 30 degrees to the ground and parallel to VP. Draw its projections. So what I am saying after reading question, remember four important points. Name of the polygon. Name of the polygon is hexagon. What is the condition? Base. Where we have to start the problem. Ground. Ground is horizontal plane. Right? Next. Axis is inclined at 30 degrees to the ground. 30 degrees to HP. And parallel to VP. Parallel to VP is the condition. 30 degrees to ground is an angle. It is inclined to only one plane and parallel to other. In this question they mentioned only one angle. In question if they mentioned only one angle, you have to draw two positions, right? We know this concept. Coming to question, you have to construct the hexagon. Condition is base on the ground. You have to construct the hexagon on horizontal plane. Condition is base. So construct the hexagon. Base is on HP. Length of this hexagon is 30 mm. After drawing this, name it as A, B, C, D, E, F. After drawing this hexagon, mark the midpoint. Join all these corners. You will get the midpoint O. After getting the midpoint, what we have to do? From F, project the line till reference line. From E, project the line till reference line. From D, project the line till reference line. Right? Now, this is to a midpoint line, axis. Axis height is how much? 60 mm. From here, take 60 mm line. Right? Join this A dash to O and join this C dash to O. You will get the triangle. Right, after that, what is the next part of the question? Axis is inclined at 30 degrees to the ground. 30 degrees to the ground means 30 degrees to HP. So where we have to construct 2 HP means we have to construct here, right? So 1 2 3, this is your axis line. First draw the axis line of any length with an angle of 30 degrees. Right, now you know from A dash to C dash, measure this length, draw here. Right, now from here the axis height should be 60 mm. Join here O dash to C dash, O dash to F dash. Right, after constructing this pyramid, what we have to do? From every corner of the hexagon, draw horizontal lines. From O point also you have to draw the horizontal line. After drawing that, from A to A, from B to B, C, D, E, F, from O to O. If you join all this A, B, C, D, E, F, you will get the hexagon. Mark the midpoint. Join O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D, O to E, and here O to F. Right, so this is your initial position, right, and this will be your final position. This is your front view and this will be your top view. After construction, please mark the dimensions properly. This is 30, this is 60, angle is 30. Right, we will see next problem. What is the question? A pentagonal pyramid of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm long as its corners in VP. Its axis is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and parallel to HP. Draw its projections. So what is the condition? First is pentagon, corners in VP, angles are 30 degrees to VP, parallel to HP. So they mentioned only one angle. If they mentioned only one angle, you have to draw two positions. Parallel is a condition, right? So you have to construct the pentagon on VP. Condition is corner. Starting with corner, construct this pentagon A, B, C, D, E of length 30 mm. Leave 5 mm gap. Draw the reference line. Mark the midpoint of the pentagon. Right? After that, from every corner, from A, from EB, from DC, project all the lines till this reference line. From O also project the line till reference line. Now from the reference line, axis height is here 60 mm. Then next join this D to O, E to O, and here A to O. You will get this pentagonal pyramid. So 1, 2, third step will be here. What is the angle? 30 degrees to VP. To VP means here, right? So first draw the axis line of any length. Angle is here 30 degrees. After that, same pyramid you have to construct here. Measure the length from A to D. Draw here, right? Join D to O, A to O. You know the same pyramid here. After constructing here, what you have to do, from E, from D, from A, from C, from B, from O also, you have to draw the horizontal lines. After constructing the horizontal lines, what we have to do, from A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D, E to E. So join all this A, B, C, D, E, you will get the pentagon. O to O, you will get the point here. After that, join here O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D, and here O to E. This is the procedure. After completion of problem, write down here initial position and write down here this is your final position. Right above the reference line, this will be your front view. Below the reference line, this will be your top view. Right? So same we will see the next problem. So see the question here. A hexagonal pyramid of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm long has its corners in HP such that it has a triangular face on the ground and the axis is parallel to VP. Draw its projections. How many angles they mentioned here? First question is that. Right, so previous problems 30 degrees to HP parallel to VP, 45 degrees to VP parallel to HP. They mentioned one angle, they mentioned the condition, parallel condition. So already here they mentioned the condition, parallel condition they mentioned here. They mention another condition, triangular face on the ground. So we know in question if they ask triangular face on the ground, how we have to solve, we know that. Right? So after reading question, you have to remember 4 points. Name of the polygon is hexagon, condition is corner. You have to start the problem on horizontal plane. Right? Now coming to angles, they mention that triangular face is on the ground. This is the angle. Parallel to VP is the condition. Right? So first see the problem. You have to construct the hexagon in HP. Condition is corner. Start with corner. Construct the hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Construct the hexagon. Join all these corners of the hexagon. You will get the midpoint. Right? After that, from this midpoint, draw a line till this reference line. Project all these points till reference line. E, C, D, F, B, E, A, reference line. Now from this reference line, how much is the axis height here? 60 mm. Right? After that, join here A dash to O dash, B dash of F dash to O dash, C dash of E dash to O dash, and here D dash to O dash. This is to a initial position. Right? So after getting this, what we have to do? Angle. What they mentioned here? Triangular face on the ground. They mention a point, triangular face on the ground. So if they mention triangular face on the ground, how to solve the problem? What are the triangular faces In this pyramid, O dash to D dash is one triangular face, O dash to A dash is one triangular face. Take any one of the triangular face, either this or this. I am taking this, O dash to D dash. I am drawing this length here, O dash to D dash. So this side is completed. Then next I will consider this side from A dash to D dash. I am taking this length with the help of compass. I will keep the compass here and I will draw the arc here. This side is over. Then next from O dash to A dash. Take this length with the help of compass. Keep your compass here. Draw an arc. Join this one. Same pyramid you will get here. Right. Next is from A to B. Take this distance. Join here. From B to axis line. Take this distance. Draw the axis line here. From the axis line to C point again. Same pyramid. Draw here. Then after that we know from every corner draw the horizontal lines. From O also you have to draw the horizontal lines. After that from D to D, C, E, B, F, A. So join all this A, B, C, D, E, F. You will get the hexagon. Right? From O to also you will get the point. After getting this, join OA, OB, OC, OD, OE and here OF. This is to a final position. Above the reference line, write down here front view, and below the reference line, write down here top view. This is the problem. See the next question. A cone of base diameter 40 mm and axis 60 mm long, resting on a point of the base circle on the ground with its triangular face on the ground, and the axis is parallel to VP. Draw its projections. Read the question. Remember 4 points. So what are the 4 points? You have to construct the cone. Condition is base circle where you have to start on the ground. What are the angles? Triangular face on the ground. Next is parallel to VP. So construct the cone on the ground. Construct the cone circle on the ground. On the ground means on horizontal plane. So construct the circle of diameter 40 mm. Divide this circle into 4 equal parts. Name it as A, B, C, D. Midpoint is O. After drawing the circle, project all these points till the reference line. From here, axis height is 60 mm. Draw the axis height 60 mm and join all this. Right. 1, 2. This is to a initial position. Right. After that, what is the next condition here? Triangular face on the ground. Same process. What are triangular faces here? O dash to C dash, O dash to A dash. These are two triangular faces. You have to construct the triangular face on the ground. On the ground means on horizontal plane. On horizontal plane means you can draw on the reference line. Right? Take any one of the face, either this or this. I am taking this from O dash to C dash. I am measuring this line and I am drawing here. So this side is completed. Then next this one from A dash to C dash. Take this length with the help of compass. Keep your compass here. Draw an arc. Then next from A dash to O dash. Take this length with the help of compass. Keep your compass here. Draw an arc. First construct this pyramid. Mark the midpoint and draw this one. Right. After that, what we have to do, from every corner of the cone, draw the horizontal lines. Right. Join A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D. You will get the cone. You will get the O point here. Join OA, OB, OC, and here OD. You will get the cone. This is to a final position. Above the reference line, write down here front view, and below the reference line write down here top view. Cone diameter is 40, axis is 60. Right? So this completes our pyramids problem. Right? So students, please read the question carefully. After reading question, remember 4 points. It is the first thing, and second thing is read the question properly and clarify how many angles they mentioned in the question. If they mention 2 angles, draw 3 positions. If they mention only one angle, draw two positions. If they didn't mention any angle, draw only one position. Dimensions is compulsory. Please mark the dimensions properly. Write down whatever you are writing. Please consider height 5 mm and write down. Write always above the reference line. Write down front view below the reference line.